Most people watching this are probably hoping for one thing: a way to build muscle without spending every single day trapped in the kitchen, constantly cooking, cleaning, and trying to stay disciplined while life keeps getting in the way. And the truth is, that's exactly where most fitness plans quietly fall apart. Not in the gym, not because people are lazy, but because eventually exhaustion wins over convenience. Hunger shows up at the wrong time, work gets stressful, motivation disappears, and suddenly the idea of cooking another healthy meal feels impossible. But there's a reason some people continue making progress month after month while others keep restarting every Monday. They prepare before the chaos begins, and once you understand how powerful that becomes, muscle building starts feeling completely different. Because the moment your meals are already sitting in the fridge waiting for you, everything changes. You stop relying on motivation every few hours. You stop standing in the kitchen wondering what to eat. You stop grabbing random snacks that leave you hungry again 30 minutes later. And most importantly, your body finally gets the consistency it needs to actually recover, grow, and perform properly. That's the part people underestimate. Muscle is not built from one perfect workout or one giant high-protein dinner. It's built quietly through repetition. Through days that seem ordinary, through meals nobody posts online, through choices repeated over and over until results slowly start appearing almost without you noticing. And that's what this entire weekly muscle building meal prep is really about. Not perfection, not eating like a professional bodybuilder, not following some impossible clean eating routine that makes you miserable after 3 days. This is about creating a system that works in normal life, a routine that still functions when you're tired, busy, stressed, distracted, or completely unmotivated. Because real fitness has to survive real life. Imagine opening your fridge on a random Wednesday night after an exhausting day and seeing everything already prepared. Breakfast ready, lunch ready, dinner ready. No stress, no delivery apps, no late night panic decisions. Just food waiting for you quietly, like a promise you already made to yourself earlier in the week. That feeling alone can completely change your momentum. One of the biggest mistakes people make with muscle building nutrition is believing every meal has to be complicated or perfectly calculated. In reality, your body mainly needs 3 things consistently: enough protein to repair muscle tissue, enough carbohydrates to fuel performance and recovery, and healthy fats to support hormones, energy, and overall function. But there's another factor that matters even more than perfection: simplicity. The more complicated your meal prep becomes, the harder it becomes to maintain long term. That's why the smartest meal prep systems are usually built around repeatable foods. Ingredients that are easy to cook in large amounts, easy to store, easy to reheat, and easy to enjoy throughout the week without becoming overwhelming. The process actually starts long before the cooking begins. A lot of people walk into grocery stores without any clear structure. They grab random foods that sound healthy in the moment, but nothing really fits together. By the end of the week, vegetables are spoiled, ingredients go unused, money gets wasted, and meal prep starts feeling frustrating instead of helpful. But when you walk in with intention, the entire experience changes. You already know what your week looks like. You already know your protein sources, your carbohydrates, your snacks, your recovery meals. Suddenly, shopping feels efficient instead of chaotic. And honestly, there's something satisfying about that level of preparation. Picture this for a second. Chicken breasts roasting in the oven while rice cooks nearby. Sweet potatoes slowly turning golden. Vegetables being chopped into containers. The kitchen feels warm, organized, productive. Music playing quietly in the background while your future week slowly comes together meal by meal. It feels less like dieting and more like building stability. That feeling matters more than people realize. When it comes to protein, simple staples usually work best because they're reliable and versatile. Chicken breast remains popular for a reason. It's affordable, easy to season differently, and works with almost anything. Lean ground beef adds more flavor and variety while still supporting muscle growth. Eggs are one of the most useful foods you can prep because they work for breakfast, snacks, or quick meals throughout the day. Greek yogurt is another powerful option because it adds protein without requiring cooking, which makes busy mornings much easier. And then there are carbohydrates, which many people either fear unnecessarily or completely misunderstand. Carbs are fuel. When your training intensity increases, your body needs reliable energy sources. Rice continues to be one of the easiest meal prep foods ever because it stores well, reheats well, and pairs with almost every protein source imaginable. Potatoes are excellent because they're filling and satisfying while supporting recovery. Oats work perfectly for breakfast or snacks because they provide slow, steady energy that lasts for hours. The goal is not just eating healthy. The goal is eating in a way your body can actually sustain consistently. Vegetables are another part of meal prep that often gets overlooked until people realize how much they affect everything else. Meals without vegetables tend to feel heavy, repetitive, and lifeless after a few days. But the moment you add freshness and color, the entire experience changes. Broccoli, spinach, cucumbers, carrots, peppers, green beans, small additions that completely improve texture, flavor, recovery, digestion, and satisfaction. And then there's the part that secretly determines whether someone sticks with meal prep or quits halfway through the week. Flavor. So many people make the mistake of cooking massive amounts of completely bland food. Plain chicken, plain rice, plain vegetables. Then by Thursday, they're exhausted from eating meals that feel more like punishment than fuel. Healthy food does not need to taste boring. Garlic changes everything. Herbs change everything. Lemon juice, black pepper, smoked paprika, yogurt marinades, salsa, low-calorie sauces, fresh seasoning blends. Tiny details completely transform meals without making them unhealthy. Because the easier it is to enjoy your food, the easier it becomes to stay consistent. And consistency always wins. One of the smartest things you can do while meal prepping is keeping your ingredients flexible enough to create slightly different experiences throughout the week. The foods themselves can stay mostly the same, while the flavors shift enough to prevent boredom. Chicken and rice one day can become a burrito bowl style meal the next day. Ground beef and potatoes can feel completely different depending on seasoning. Oats can change from cinnamon-based flavors to fruit combinations that feel lighter and refreshing. This matters because people don't just quit diets from hunger, they quit from mental exhaustion. The feeling of being trapped inside repetitive eating patterns slowly drains motivation until discipline eventually collapses. But when your meals still feel enjoyable, sustainable, and flexible, healthy eating stops feeling like restriction. That changes everything psychologically. And something interesting starts happening once meal prep becomes a consistent habit. Your workouts begin improving too. Not because of some secret fitness trick, because your body finally has reliable fuel. A huge number of people train incredibly hard while eating inconsistently. Some days they barely eat enough protein. Other days they skip meals entirely, then overeat late at night. Energy crashes become normal. Recovery slows down. Strength plateaus appear. Motivation disappears because progress feels random, but structured meals create stability. Suddenly, workouts feel stronger, recovery improves, energy becomes more predictable. Your body starts trusting that fuel is coming consistently instead of operating in survival mode. Your body loves consistency, even when your mind feels chaotic. And there's another benefit people rarely expect from meal prep: mental clarity. Every single day, people waste huge amounts of energy making food decisions. What should I eat? Should I cook? Should I order something? Should I skip this meal? Should I snack? Is this healthy enough? Is this too much? That constant decision making quietly drains mental energy. Meal prep removes most of that chaos. The decisions are already made ahead of time. Your meals already exist. Your structure already exists. And because of that, discipline starts becoming automatic instead of emotional. That's powerful. Halfway through the week is usually where the real test begins. This is the point where most people normally lose control of their routine. Stress builds up, work becomes exhausting, sleep quality drops, cravings get stronger, convenience becomes more tempting than progress. But when meals are already prepared, resistance becomes easier. You don't need superhuman willpower every day. You simply need fewer obstacles between yourself and good decisions. And that's where the transformation slowly starts becoming visible mentally, not just physically. Because every prepared meal becomes evidence that you're taking yourself seriously. Every container in the fridge becomes proof that you planned ahead instead of reacting emotionally in the moment. That matters more than most people realize. A lot of people think confidence only arrives after results appear, but often confidence actually begins earlier than that. It begins when your actions start matching the person you want to become. Meal prep teaches something deeper than nutrition. It teaches delayed gratification. You prepare food today for energy you need tomorrow. You cook meals now for muscles that don't exist yet. You trust the process before visible results appear. That mindset eventually spills into every area of life. And here's something fitness culture honestly doesn't emphasize enough. Your meal prep routine does not need to look impressive online to work in real life. Your containers do not need to match perfectly. Your fridge does not need aesthetic organization. Your meals do not need cinematic presentation with perfect lighting and expensive ingredients. None of that builds muscle. Consistency does. Some weeks your prep will feel organized and smooth. Other weeks you'll rush through everything because life is messy. Some meals may turn out better than others. Some weeks you'll repeat the same foods more often because you're busy. That's normal. The people who succeed long-term are not people who never struggle. They're people who continue anyway. Even imperfect preparation is infinitely better than having no preparation at all. And once you realize that, meal prep becomes realistic instead of overwhelming. You stop chasing perfection and start building systems that actually fit your life. Slowly, you begin learning your own body patterns too. Which meals keep you full longer? Which foods improve workout performance? Which snacks prevent late-night cravings? Which flavors help you stay consistent through stressful weeks? Your body constantly gives feedback when you pay attention, and gradually, healthy eating stops feeling like punishment. It starts feeling like support, fuel, self-respect. That shift changes everything internally. There's also something deeply satisfying about coming home exhausted and realizing dinner is already waiting for you. No stress, no giant cleanup, no expensive takeout. Just food already prepared quietly by a version of yourself who cared enough to plan ahead. That moment seems small, but repeated consistently over months, it completely changes momentum. Because muscle building is never just about appearance. It's about structure, energy, confidence, reliability, discipline. The feeling that you can trust yourself to follow through consistently even when life becomes difficult. And every prepared meal reinforces that identity little by little. Near the end of the week, another interesting thing usually happens. You realize how much time you actually saved. Instead of cooking every single day, constantly cleaning dishes, standing around deciding meals, or ordering random food, you simplified your routine dramatically. That means more time for training, more time for recovery, more energy for work, relationships, hobbies, and everything else that matters. That's why meal prep continues working even when motivation disappears. It reduces friction. And reducing friction is one of the smartest ways to build lasting habits. Of course, no system stays identical forever. Some weeks you'll want more variety. Some weeks your appetite changes depending on training intensity. Busy schedules shift things around. Life evolves constantly. That's completely normal. Meal prep should support your life, not control it. Flexibility is what keeps consistency alive long term, and the people who naturally build impressive physiques over time usually are not doing extreme things. They're rarely following impossible diets or secret routines. Most of the time, they're simply repeating effective habits longer than everyone else. That's the real advantage, not magic supplements, not starvation diets. Consistency, and consistency becomes dramatically easier when preparation removes unnecessary stress from your life. So if you've been struggling to gain muscle, stay disciplined, or maintain healthy eating habits, maybe the solution isn't forcing more motivation every single day. Maybe the solution is preparing smarter. One afternoon of preparation can completely change the direction of your entire week. That's the power of systems. And the best part is, you don't need to start perfectly. You don't need expensive recipes. You don't need advanced nutrition knowledge. Start simple. Choose a few protein sources, a few carbohydrates, fresh vegetables, basic seasoning. That's enough. If you enjoyed this video and want more realistic fitness strategies that actually fit into everyday life, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And in the comments, share the one meal you could eat every single week without getting tired of it. Your answer might inspire someone else starting their own muscle building journey.